We're going to create automated survey follow-ups. This is going to be fairly simple, but just need to know what to do, where to do it. We're going to create a Google form. We're going to ask for some questions about a survey. Then once somebody submits that with their email address, we're going to email them a little bit of a follow-up, like one more question, or even could give them an incentive, some coupon code, whatever you want to do. Going to first go up to Tools, create a new form, and we'll create the survey. Maybe it's a purchase survey. We have some questions. What did you buy? Why did you buy it? And then we'll ask for their email. We'll publish this to anyone with the link. We can get the copy responder link. We can go look at it and say, what did I buy? Something. Why did I buy it? Some reason. And my email address. Let's give them my real email address. Click submit. And so I have on form responses 1 these responses, and I have this email. I can change this form responses 1 to surveys, maybe, if you want. Now, we want to automate an email to this email. Let's go to extensions, app script. He will write a simple function that sends an email. We need to actually do 2 steps. We're going to create the function first and then create the trigger to send when the email is gotten from the survey response, so on form submit. So let's send email. We need some event here. This is going to be a variable that has a lot of information about our survey, our form response, and it only actually happens when that trigger is triggered. Watch and we'll get that information. So we'll get variable email is going to be equals e named, and we're going to put in quotes email around this square bracket. Let's make sure this actually works. We're going to save it. And the second part of this, once we create this function, is we're going to create a trigger. So let's go over to triggers and do that, and then we'll come back and rewrite our function. On the bottom right, add trigger, choose which function to run. If you have other functions, you're going to have to select it from this drop-down menu. Select event source, it's going to be from spreadsheet. Select event type is going to be on form submit. Click save. When we save it, we'll have to authorize it with our account. Click allow. And here we have our trigger, and we can get some information like error rate. We can also edit it if we want, come back here and edit it, or even 3 dots, click and delete trigger if we want. Let's go and fill out another response and see if we get our email address. Something else. Yes, I love it. And we can put any email in here for right now. Click submit. Go to our executions and see if we get our email. And there we get our email in an array, actually, but it will work. Let's go back to our editor and actually send that email. You can use Gmail app.send email. Who is it to? Email, comma, subject, one more question, comma, and our body. Hi, I'm emailing you to ask one more question. Thank you for answering our purchase survey, but wanted to know if you do you like your purchase? Reply and let me know. Let's save this and go back to our form. And what we may have to do is authorize this again. How we can authorize it is to create the trigger again. So let's go back to the triggers. Delete our trigger, delete forever, and add trigger. Send email, on form submit, click save. It's going to check our authorization, and yes, we have to authorize it again because we added that Gmail. Click allow. You may get an error when you do this if you don't redo this trigger. So what did I buy? Something. Why did I buy it? Love it. Email. Let's actually put in a real email address. Click submit and go to our email and see. And yes, I got the email. Hi, I'm emailing you to ask one more question. Thank you for answering a purchase survey. So I can now click reply and reply to it. By the way, it is from me to me, but it will be from whichever Google account you run. So whatever Google account you have created this sheet in and this app script, that's the email that will be the from email. So back to our editor, we can edit this subject, we can edit this question or this email, and that's all you need to know to send a follow-up email when someone submits a survey or a Google form. There you go. And if you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets, more automation, subscribe here on YouTube to Better Sheets. Looking forward to seeing you again on another video.